We're getting ready for that garden tour again, and I thought no better place to start was right here with our blueberries. We got a host family of Northern Mockingbirds over there that's been pretty much taking care of the garden this year, and I haven't had to put my nets on. So I'm sharing with the mockingbirds. They're protecting the garden and keeping all the other birds at bay, and I think that's a small price to pay for allowing nature to do what it is that I want to do anyway, and that's protect these berries. Now, I want to just do a quick view of what was not ripe the last time that we came out here, and look at these babies. This is our pink lemonade. These things are super sweet. Size of these berries. And then we'll come over here to our Northland, which is coming in real strong right now. Berries everywhere on it. Still see some of the berries not ripe yet. That's our Northland. And then we'll go up here to our Sweetheart. And the Sweetheart is always the queen of the garden. We still have berries here on our early bloomer. And this is our Hello Darling. She's still putting off. We're probably going to be getting 17 to 20 pounds off of our Hello Darling. And you can see right here, our Bless Your Heart hadn't even turned yet. This is going to be our late bloomer. This here is our first year Hello Darling. And you can see here, still got more berries on here to pick. Going down to another one of our Bless Your Hearts. Not even ready to harvest yet. Back down to our other Hello Darling. Now, something that you always hear me talk about. I have to take a few of these. These things are super sweet. So what you have down here now, these are all my cuttings that I've taken from these bushes or traded with someone for another variety that I didn't have. And I've been up potting them for the past few days. You remember when we did the cuttings on these last year or the year before? These are the bushes that come off of our Sweetheart. So we have 4 of our Sweethearts here up front. These were done from seed, and these are Northern High bushes. These are the 4 channelers here. And this O'Neill goes with our early bloomers, which are going to be our Hello Darlings. We have 2 of our Georgia Gems. And you remember last year when we went down to Hall's Nursery and picked these up, and you can see that they've grown twice the size since we got them. And again, those are our Georgia Gems. This is a cutting from my Northland over here. That's a Biloxi. This is a Legacy. I picked this up from Lowe's. And as you can see, the Brightwell fruit hasn't turned yet. So this is going to be one of our late bloomers, and that'll be the companion for our Bless Your Heart. You always hear me talking about companions and being able to put those berries together that are going to bloom and ripen around the same time. Then we have our Sharp Blue here. And so our Sharp Blue will be paired with our Northland. We have 24 bushes all together and 11 different varieties. So that's what we're going to be doing. And I think what I'm going to do, and my wife made the suggestion of planting the blueberry bushes, maybe going down the edge of the garden. So I may be able to push it back a little bit after our grapevines come up. Just allow the blueberries to be planted in rows going all the way down. And sitting them right here was a good way for me to visualize what they would look like if I planted them all in a row. So we're talking about probably having the longest raised bed that you've seen. All right, so what we're gonna be doing now, we're just gonna go over here and we're gonna need to harvest some more of these blueberries because we're way past time to harvest. So we're gonna go ahead and take these out. These are Hello Darlings again. We're gonna start, look at who, okay. Look at who just showed up. That baby girl out here. What you doing?
To steal some of your blueberries.
Okay, how you doing? Look here, this is my baby girl here. This is Priscilla. So we're gonna be, she's gonna be making me some blueberry muffins. This girl be banging in the kitchen. I'm talking about really getting down in the kitchen. So we're gonna harvest some of these blueberries and we're gonna shout back at you guys. We're what?
Growing out the box.
Growing out the box.
Okay.
All right.
So which one do I pick?
And all the ripe ones. Just grab them off. It don't matter. You can't just toss them in. You gotta be gentle. Yeah. And you can just kind of roll them off with your fingers like this. In fact, I'll hold the bowl. Where you at? No, over there. Yeah, go to the middle. You'll see some grapes on the one in the middle. Yeah. They haven't grown up that tall. I'm gonna grow them to where they go up over the top so you can walk up under them. Yeah, a lot of these small ones are sweet. Yeah, we got quite a few of them.
Quite a few. You got a whole thing. No more, cause you gonna keep picking them.
I think we can get one more pick out of it. That's doing really well. All right, so we have one more picking, and there is no doubt in my mind that this is at least 5 pounds. I want to say 18 pounds from this one bush. This is the first year bush, the Hello Darling. Oh yeah. And you see how the bush is standing up again now that all the berries are off of it? You see how now that the berries are off of it? Now that the berries are off of it? So we probably got one more picking out of this. We're gonna let our resident Northern Mockingbird have whatever's left. We still got berries that haven't even ripened yet. So she's still giving. Yeah, those are bad. I'll leave those out for the birds. So thank you guys for watching. Me, my baby girl, Priscilla, growing out the box over here.
Hey bluebird, sitting in a tree, staring at me. Tell me, what do you see now? Hey red